Welcome to Shangfa YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. In today's report, we will look at three major stories happening in South Sudan. First, we are going to look at a cancelled $300 million airport project. Secondly, we are going to talk about deadly attack in Jonglei and a disturbing report of a night helicopter attack in Wulang County in Upper Nile. Stay with us as we go into every detail. If you are new to Shangfa YouTube channel, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with why Akon Airport project collapsed. Today we begin with a major national story involving a 300 million US dollar project in Warab state that has now been shut down. This project was meant to build Akon International Airport, an airport located in President Salva Kiir Mayardit's hometown in Warab. But investigations have now revealed that the quality of the work was extremely low, only 8%, leading the government of South Sudan to cancel the entire contract. You see, let's break it down what happened, how the project started. The airport contract was quietly awarded in 2022 to one company, Wulang Construction, without any competitive bidding. Documents show the contract was signed by both the Minister of Justice and the Minister of Transport. The company is owned by businessman Bak Mayen from Twish County. The idea for the airport came from the office of then Vice President for the Service Cluster, Hossein Abdelbagi Akol, who later became the Minister of Agriculture. According to the source say that Mr. Akol was under pressure to award the project to Mr. Mayen. Project funding and early work. To start construction, the company was given crude oil worth 42 million US dollar. With that money, Wulang Construction began a small step, digging, backfilling, fencing the area, and transporting Muram soil. They also built a sand testing lab. But even this early work was later found to be extremely poor in quality. The company subcontracted the heavy civil work to teams from Ethiopia and Sri Lanka. Still, progress remained slow. By June 2025, the project had visibly stopped. After community and government officials complained, the Minister of Transport launched an investigation together with Kilimanjaro Consultancy, the firm that was supposed to monitor construction. Their findings shocked the government. The work completed was substandard. The quality score was only 8%. Large part of the project had not even begun. Well, following the investigation, the government decided not to renew Wulang construction contract. A formal notice was reportedly sent to the company, which now loses access to the 300 million project. So say the company was unhappy and uncooperative during the monitoring process. Government officials admitted that there were also cash flow problems, but emphasized that the main reason for canceling the project was poor workmanship. What happened next? The airport project will now be reopened to competitive bidding. This time, the government said it will strongly check companies before awarding new contract. The Akon airport was supposed to connect Will Gogrial and twitch and help export gum, Arabic, and other product. The government still say the airport is important. But now it must be restarted from zero. Attempt to contact Wooncoach Construction for comment were unsuccessful. So here is our second top story that I would like also to share with you. Deadly bandit attack in Bor County. Now let's go to Jonglei State, where violence has once again taken innocent life. According to the information, on Wednesday, army bandit attacked three women who were collecting charcoal at Bailir cattle camp near Tibet in Bor County. One woman was killed, another woman was injured. A third woman survived and escaped. Major General Ayuen Agwek, Bor County Police Director, confirmed the attack and says security forces have been deployed to pursue the suspect. He called the attack a tragic act of violence against an armed civilian and promised that the police will track down uh, these people who attack the people. So they promised that the security force have been deployed to pursue the suspect. He called the attack a tragic of violence uh, against unarmed civilian and promised that the police will track down those responsible for these outer cities. Jacob Worsham, the information minister for the Great Pibur administrative area, say his office had not been informed of the incident by Bur County official. He added that communication between the two sides is often weak during, the incident, whenever such incident occurred. He said, whenever something happened, they do not call, but we do not blame them because attacks have become very common in the area. Greater Pibur administrative area officials say they have passed law criminalizing child abduction and cattle raiding. They also plan to deploy forces along Jonglei and Greater Pibur administrative area border. Although difficult terrain has slowed the process. This attack come less than a week after two more women were killed in Werkok Boma of Makwach Payam, also in Bor County. Also, again, Greater Pibur administrative area criminal also were blamed on the armed criminal believed to be from there. Violence again against women, doing daily, survival work like collecting firewood and charcoal continue to be a serious issue in Jonglei. Let's move on to our third top story. A report of nice helicopter attack in Wulang County. Our final story today comes from Upper Nile State, where residents have reported a disturbing incident in Ulang County. According to early report, South Sudan People Defense Force allegedly used helicopter at night to attack villages. There are currently, no confirmed report of casualties, but several villages were reportedly burned during the attack. Local sources said families fled their home in fear and communication in the area remained difficult. We are still working to verify more detail about the number of villages affected, whether there were injuries or deaths. The reason for the alleged attack, the official response from military authorities. As of now, SSPDF has not released a statement. This is a developing story at Shangfight. Biya kamal gwasime ka Shangfa YouTube channel bana rach katin konti lat karodian. Bukorach ke ban jo to kala nyam to kon kala shop ka diok bana rach ka kwi projeka mental ka Akon airport project mishalat bana raitin mishikan mani. Ka ejen walle ka jo mishalat ki ripon mishanu chawun nene chawi airport ki project airport ke me cha to la gwa la rin yala kan longtin doro shal ke warap state and airport mo wajen take yuti shop ke 300 million US dollar project wa charge ge kan airport mo la project me mulat ke airport ke je ki makam ko yuti 300 million dollar ke je me kama karar ke je o de airport shal ka Akon international airport de jalat ke je ka en airport me te dor self kim yadi la prison self kim yadi jan gwasa dan en de jalatin ke cha lere cha to gan winimi duno ka kore mi chala cha je to ga wach lat yo ro do kapchon chala ro sha investigation cha je lat lo tik duob dan en chi ro kapchon ga je reason dan en kap je chonga je cha je lat chala ro jen chala ne 8% out of 92% 8% chala dan mo 92% we mean that tel mi cha chala ne jetin ka cha 300 million US dollar cha ka kamrar ka kwide shikum marai ke kir mi yadi tikan chula den wona ne cha por jagmo cha ja kapchong ko shite di ale konte de latin kan ka gor ka gwade so ajan ta dan len waru ke je so chana man dan to gan project to ko je di chana jen lat chana jelin ngwas mene ka jo chala da wa airport contract me wajen kwaja word ka self kir mi yadi ke 2022 la ron kinara wide rundi jandang ra wide raw company mishal ke wun coach construction wa chwaja kam mishal ka wun coach construction tele competition mishala tin kana kan karwal ka kwide wa chwa project mo chwaja kam ke ka kore me cha ka kam ke cha kam project chwa document chwa ka tanyen gwasamo chu minister of justice kan minister of transport chu kan warga chu kan gor chwa project chwaja tu la mo gwalun ko project renal gwarinal tiarenal midit an company namo miladung businessman wudu shalka bag ma yen mit ka tush kanti bador jani wajaram dan te company ka jaram dan sha kam project mone en idea sha no gen ki project na me ka tadan shalat ke jen no ba akan airport ba jalat wajen be ka vice president wal me let ka service cluster wudu shalke Hussein Abdul Bagi Akol jara me dan isha me tan war gamon ke jen ko dara gono ba project me ba jawlat ka warap do shirmi wet ka kor la Hussein Abdul Bagi kan radi milit minister of agriculture no jen pone challenge blat minister of agriculture jara me dan isha kan project mo chu project mo chwa kamuri shalke Mr. Mayen ka jom chala de Mr. Akol chala do nene ke prejer michi benen yal wa chwa project chwa ka Mr. Mayen ud janka na money ano bi company de mishal ke un coach construction be project mo be jalat project mani ka ta da na chalat ke je you know wajen project mi cha kam ke wa cha kam mi chal ke crude oil ala liet tung so Sudan cha kam ke en liet mo wala tini ke 42 million US dollar you know ka kan euro tone cho kam un coach construction ko balara beje to ke je wa chu kan te chu kana to kalat kan kala ke liu en gwada dana titin airport chu kan dia lu kan kalat no wa chu kan nang men mun danen ruat kare re airport ket diala to chu kan kalat imagine gwejen wo cha crude oil cha kamke milati ka UT 42 million US dollar lam to kan je ngwana dial chu kan labnu tungwan ba chu kan kalat ko ba tin kon lat ka ba ko kula testin na mo chu wo kel ka ke lam gwalong wa ni ka gwase da ne chaje to gaje wa tel mi cha chagla ne je wa ndor ke liu take a poor quality la kan chagla ne je gwa ne tin ko ne cha kan por je mo ka te ka yo no la company subcontracted what you can visible work as you can top you can come Ethiopia kan ne ritual ke Sri Lanka no wa chingni me cha kam ke ne ti wa tel mi kan lat wa ke jen pai bakar ron kin dang ro jan dang ro de dich chwa for jaga me chwa ja ngaje no cha ja kap chung lo tel mi chi wo nyam ching me cha ja kam ne ti ko ne lede ti chala do cha kam for jaga mo lo de kan lat nothing mi chi ro da ger no should complain to can it in contil la ji which la community can a government official no Minister of Transport no they can investigation they can a lot no ka shu kan lat kel ke ne shwal ke jikil manjaro consultancy no ngumi kap ke lat chunga jamone shwab jiga no en gwad lat ke tiare nyalatin chala ne 8% Canadian ter mi cha chagla ne jetin changa kel so ne me nyud jeno tiga corruption mi choro latin and gwad dan lat ke airport so ter mi chala da ken so jo me dere we ka ya ka de jena link mo nan chalat so mi chalka Akon airport do melat ke ka which self ke mi yadit ter mi choro dwang ten changa kel so cha pele jeno no right now right corner wana kala rodian mede konling gwaseme ta dan chala de no tiga ne di shana sha kanak dora shwal ke bur county ka bor shala do tene shanak ka Jonglei state wa chana cha ka nagan winimi ka shanga dioka joka wa te kane te ka mech te la jidwar no no ki de kolar no ke ji greater people administrative area wa chikan mandang jok chukan kanak no te shiwo kwer ke tong ke shikan wo shiko gor ke mim ka jan mim kon gwad shwale bahir li cattle camp gwad matie ke tibek ka bor kanti jan gwad dana war ne to menta wa ka jiktin no no an wena mo wa chwa kanak wa shekel chajanak wa shek do dien chay mu ka bot shek do dien wa jen che survive no ka tada na chalat kije Major General Ayuena Agwek Bor County Police Director confirmed the attack and says security forces have been deployed to pursue the suspect wa chana chagari aleka kanir content wena mo ko banitin content cha korme chaje to na ba ka gor cha police ni chaga jakka ke chirka tada na chalat kije shalat no men show the lad gwas me mi jia kalong shalat no ne ko na kana ke ten ma kana an wenamo wa ke ji greater people administrative area shi kwara content ke GPA shi kariya kalong won mishal ke je ko worshum ran information minister ke greater people administrative area shala do ne na teller ki message mi chup kan en wote ne shanak jane kan kaneti konen to bor char ren ling shirme ngai konen ne tin tin ka GPA chang cha ju no yen ki ne tin kontin tin na kana shi kana no la kana loko no la kana denied shi communication dia nan gwada mo je chutel shi kana communicate won yam because mi dong tin aling den tel re la na ro ke je la communication la issue cancel cha jo mo cha jalat inono ano sha men jok sha kanak ka different attack jo dan chalat ke je so na me report me de yenaling no no katin kon share en lat re wishin winimi lere jogwas me men ban nywa kel bala rega dana ci tok dora shal kame e Wulang County report mi sha no ngane me de ko dan palping ke lingde dora shal ke I Ulang ko la gwad shal ke duma shala do tian ka war ko Wulang County wa sha ka book helicopter SSPDF she can we she can ka wang re wishin binami ka war gwan metena nin ka ta ga ta tina dong kamen you know tele mi shala chit ko dong mi te karami mo mi sha ja che kan daten konen sha tin cha dwai na ko na bikan ka war area ga me area mi choda na tiang ka war chala do ne sha te cha ka wang du no kan ne ko ni chite nyen kana lat ki mi te ram sha mu ka botel mi sha latin ban men sha la lung jana gwasme wa chikume shikan jang tin ka ba le chikan kora wa dor me to ka kwi kore da na chi to me shange kore chi to me shange me shi ngane nure kan ngane jana shi krom ka chu kan wona re wi ka ba le ki dor dan tin atin winimi wa chu liam de cho to gwa mi ma sha kan ka me ne de chok jen badda gudun wana re kor mone wana me chukume SSPDF you can respond last night ka helicopter attack gwan mi mashikana chicken ka buktin ka chala do ba wude ni wakan ka ban kana je which bishok SSPDF kana tin ne dial ko kena kona chala gwasme so report me emisha no ga tada na chikor shi en lat ke ja mi kon gui kon lat ko rodin ray wika so Sudan be kelong la ja gurgono dongde maldere ben barchi malchebe ray ler kana me chana roach kamen yaman go cha project kan te ke 300 million US dollar men chalka Akon airport project cha cancel ko chala ne 8% karodian ne me jele nyam chana ling en project me chalke Akon project oni ki airport midongi Canada la international airport wajen chala cha kapchon ko chala ne 8% ko rudian lo let ye yo chaga cham airport lat ke jedor kum kirma yadi ke dor kirma yadi jan lat jetenane lere do gwas me chana roi ke queen and content chana kanane chamu ke bot re which we mi ka Jonglei state ngai kon diala me change ke report mi chana un kenyam chala no ne kon chiria dongde kan baro de kan shop ki badak but report chana ngwat me mlin kon me waram ke chamu ke bot kine dang dok charam ke chana kine dok chana so ka gen report ran chano lere jok ata danan cha netin kon ko Wulang County sha ka buka je kare ni also na me da la report mi de kon linkatin kon charen lat mi jira ma jidit gwasa me ka shang fa YouTube channel gor no jin bi subscribe ka bi notification ba je to an ko mi te mi ci bari be shamala shi bi kiji an biya ta kamal bye bye